a few words. Sa tanan na nakaila sa ako, sa tanan na nakaila sa ako, kabalo mo sa mga how much this means to me, no? Nag-ibig, nag-ikamba, you guys know how much this means to me. We've had a good run. No? 4 championships in a row. Maybe a history, wala pa nakahimuan. That's us. Our legacies are cemented. 4 titles in a row. Wala pa nakabalong. Wala pa nakahimuan. Right? Kita na. All good things must come to an end. But the beauty of it is all good things can be started once again. Next year, we come back stronger. Come back better. We will have a toy again. I will give a special mention to Latoy na like is the engine of our Kamalay 17. Kung nasa sila tayo sa pero si Colex ang pinaka-sexy kayo. What I love about this is Pildita, grabe ang mga smiles. Nagugot mga coach. Nagugot mga. No, but what I'm trying to say is, win or lose, we'll always be a family. Right? We're a family, we lose, we win as a family, we lose as a family. My only request is, this family becomes stronger next year and the years to come. Right? Just because naundang atong forfeit, it doesn't mean atong family will undang sa. Right? So, ano man? Tingin sa sponsors! Sino? Translate! Anyway, this family means a lot to me personally. I'd like to thank you, everyone, no, yung sponsors, Backyard Food Court, salamat tayo. Bisag nag-ihing nasan si John Chops dito sa Chali. Isibat nasan. Isibat na. Andrew is the heart and soul of government. Salamat kay Andrew for nasa nila karon. Gikan sa biyahe, diretso sa Lagindingan, diretso sa atong Dudula. At least nasa 50% sa Petro. But this partnership will continue. Right? Diba? Nagagin ako ni Trina kanina. Ewan ko ni Trina, mapaulihan ay gapon na.
John Love!
Ada isa na tao sa game 1 pinagtaw. Pinabili ka. Sa game 2, wala siya pinagtaw. May isa ka tao. Labas siya to. Sa game 3,